Are you tired of spending hours chopping vegetables, mincing herbs, or pureeing sauces by hand? This Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor, 3-cup, 350 watts, is here to transform your kitchen prep game. This compact, powerful, and user-friendly mini food processor is designed to make meal preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a busy parent, a home cook, or a culinary enthusiast, this chopper delivers precision and efficiency in a sleek, space-saving package. Let's dive into why this kitchen gadget is a must-have and how it can elevate your cooking experience. Why choose the Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper? Meal prep can be a tedious task, but the Hamilton Beach Stack and Press 3-cup chopper simplifies it with its innovative design and robust performance. This mini food processor tackles a variety of tasks, from dicing onions to pureeing baby food, all while fitting seamlessly into any kitchen. Its 350-watt motor powers through tough ingredients like carrots and nuts, while the patented stack and press design eliminates the hassle of complicated assembly. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for everyday use, whether you're whipping up a quick salsa or emulsifying a creamy salad dressing. Solving common kitchen challenges. The Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper addresses several pain points for home cooks. Time-consuming prep. Chopping onions, mincing garlic, or pureeing ingredients by hand can eat up precious time. This chopper cuts prep time in half, letting you focus on cooking and enjoying your meals. Messy countertops. The hideaway cord and compact design keep your kitchen clutter-free. Difficult cleanup. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your creations. Inconsistent results. The stainless steel blades ensure uniform chopping, dicing, and pureeing, giving your dishes a professional touch. Key features that set it apart. Patented stack and press design. No twisting or locking required. Just stack the lid on the bowl and press to chop. Release to stop. It's intuitive and effortless, even for beginners. Powerful 350-watt motor. This mini chopper powers through tough ingredients like nuts, carrots, and onions with ease, delivering consistent results every time. 3-cup capacity bowl. Perfectly sized for daily meal prep, it handles small to medium tasks without taking up too much counter space. Stainless steel blades. Durable and sharp, these blades chop, mince, puree, and emulsify a wide range of ingredients, from vegetables to sauces. Built-in oil dispenser. Easily add liquids during processing to create smooth dressings, dips, or hummus without stopping the machine. Dishwasher-safe parts. The bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. BPA-free food zones. All food contact surfaces are BPA-free, ensuring safety for you and your family. Hideaway cord. Keeps your countertop tidy and makes storage a breeze. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving efficiency. With its powerful motor and sharp blades, this chopper reduces prep time significantly, allowing you to prepare meals faster. Whether you're dicing vegetables for a stir-fry or pureeing ingredients for homemade baby food, it gets the job done in seconds. Versatility for every recipe. From chopping herbs for garnishes to emulsifying creamy dressings, this mini food processor handles a wide range of tasks. It's ideal for salsas, dips, sauces, and even small batches of dough. Compact and convenient. Its small footprint makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who values space-saving appliances. The hideaway cord and stackable design ensure easy storage. Who is this chopper perfect for? The Hamilton Beach 3-cup chopper is designed for a variety of users, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Busy parents. Preparing healthy, homemade baby food or quick snacks for kids is a breeze with this chopper's pureeing capabilities. Home cooks. If you love experimenting with recipes like hummus, pesto, or salad dressings, this chopper's oil dispenser and powerful motor make it a game-changer. Small households. The 3-cup capacity is ideal for individuals or couples who need a compact yet powerful tool for daily meal prep. Health-conscious eaters. Chopping fresh vegetables and herbs for salads, smoothies, or healthy dips is effortless, encouraging nutritious meals. Beginner cooks. The intuitive stack and press design makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of kitchen experience. Real-world performance. What users are saying. Consumer feedback highlights the Hamilton Beach Chopper's reliability and ease of use. Many users praise its ability to handle tough ingredients like almonds and carrots without bogging down. The dishwasher-safe parts are a favorite feature, as they eliminate the hassle of hand washing. Some users note that the 3-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium tasks, but may not suit large families preparing big batches. Overall, reviews emphasize its value for the price, with many calling it a kitchen lifesaver for quick prep tasks. Why you should buy now. The Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper is a game-changer for anyone who wants to save time, reduce kitchen clutter, and elevate their meal prep. Its powerful motor, user-friendly design, and versatile functionality make it a must-have for busy kitchens. Whether you're dicing vegetables, mincing herbs, or pureeing sauces, this chopper delivers consistent, professional quality results. Plus, its compact size and easy cleanup make it a practical choice for everyday use. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.